Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll give you a quick and simple guide on how to fix TapTap Send when it stops opening. So let's get started. Now, if for some whatever reason your TapTap Send won't open, here's a quick way to fix this. So first, what we can do is we can go to our Play Store. From here, you want to make sure that your TapTap Send is up to date. If it's not, then it'll show up here. It would say here, update instead of open. So make sure you always update your app. Now, the other fix that we can do is you want to go to settings. From here, scroll down, look for apps. Then you want to search for TapTap Send. So you can type it in right here, open this, and from here we can do several things. All right, so the first thing that we can do is we can clear data, clear cache and data. At the very bottom, you'll already see this, but you can also click on storage, then choose to clear data. So that includes cache as well. And lastly, this is the last resort. What we can do is simply reinstall the app. From here or from the Play Store, you can choose to uninstall this at the very bottom and install it again from the Play Store. And basically, that's about it. That should fix the issue and should be able to log back into your TapTap Send. So now you know how to fix TapTap Send when it stops opening in just a few simple steps. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks,